بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو ریویژن پوائنٹس. Lesson number 11. This is the exercise including all the previous lessons: Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, double Fatha, double Kasra and double Dhamma, and long vowels. Even Sukoon. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel clicking by subscribe button and press the bell button. Tasneemin. Tasneem. Tasneem. We will make a waqaf because there is a full stop, and in case of waqaf, we will leave all the vowels for the last letter. Miskeenan. 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 Mamnoonin. 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 Mahfuzin. 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 Makhtumin. 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 Masruran. Masrura. If full stop is after double fatha, then we will read one fatha with alif. Masrura. Mashhudin. 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 Abwaban. 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 Masfufatin. 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 Azwajan. 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 Ashtatan. 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 It'amun. 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 A'naban. 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 Afwajan. 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 Alfafan. Alfafa. Alfafa. Qur'anun. 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 Alhamdu. 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 Wal fajri. Wal fajri. Wal fajri. Wal fathu. Wal fathu. Wal fathu. Wal asri. Wal asri. Wal asri. Best and easy way to learn Arabic. For more, please subscribe the channel Revision Points. Choose the best. Soon I will upload the videos in Hindi and Urdu, and Tajweed videos also I will upload soon, inshallah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.